Discover Castellino at Laguna West, a pet-friendly community in Elk Grove that's like none other. You'll find a sparkling swimming pool and spa with an expansive sun deck set among beautiful landscaping. Our clubhouse has a kitchen and there's a well-equipped fitness center available for your convenience. In your Tuscan-inspired 1-, 2-, or 3-bedroom home, you'll have a kitchen with stainless steel appliances, dark maple cabinetry, and granite countertops. Throughout your home, you'll find finely detailed 12-inch ceramic tile floors, full-size washer and dryer, cozy fireplace, private patio or balcony with extra storage, and comfortable bedrooms with designer bathrooms and roomy closets. We're just minutes from Interstate 5 and Highway 99, putting you close to river trails, recreation, parks, fine dining, and entertainment. Stop by soon and see all we have to offer at Castellino at Laguna West.